To keep your engine running smoothly and for as long as possible, you just need to ensure it doesn't overheat. And that's easy if you pay attention to these 5 things in your car. But before that, a little about your engine. Your car's engine operates at high temperatures, and the cooling system is designed to keep it within a safe range. When the engine exceeds this temperature range, it's considered overheating. This can lead to serious damage, including a blown head gasket, warped cylinders, or even a seized engine. Overheating can kill your engine quickly and force you to replace it sooner. This is why you should pay attention to the following. Low coolant levels. This is one of the most common reasons for engine overheating. Coolant, or antifreeze, absorbs heat from the engine and dissipates it through the radiator. If the coolant level is too low, it can't effectively do its job, leading to overheating. Regularly check your coolant levels and top them off as needed, but be sure to use the correct type of coolant for your vehicle. Also be sure there are no leaks. Coolant leaks can occur in several places, including the radiator, hoses, water pump, and heater core. Look for signs of coolant leaks, such as puddles under your car or a sweet smell coming from the engine bay. If you find a leak, it's important to fix it promptly. Malfunctioning thermostat. The thermostat regulates the flow of coolant between the engine and the radiator. If the thermostat is stuck closed, it can prevent coolant from circulating, causing the engine to overheat. Replacing a faulty thermostat is usually a straightforward fix. Faulty radiator. The radiator is crucial for cooling the engine by dissipating heat from the coolant. If the radiator is clogged, damaged, or leaking, it can't effectively cool the engine. Regularly inspect the radiator for signs of damage or debris buildup and clean or replace it if necessary. Head gasket failure. A blown head gasket can cause coolant to leak into the engine cylinders or oil, leading to overheating. Symptoms of a blown head gasket include white smoke from the exhaust, coolant in the oil, which looks milky, and a rapidly overheating engine. This is a serious issue that requires immediate attention from a professional mechanic. Failed cooling fan. The cooling fan helps draw air through the radiator to cool the coolant. If the fan is malfunctioning or not turning on, especially when idling or in traffic, the engine can overheat. Check the fan for proper operation and replace it if necessary. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.